Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our vlog about wheat harvest. We're about halfway through wheat harvest. I haven't been able to do much filming because we've been so busy with Kendall being gone and everything. But gonna try to film some for you today. Right now we are binning seed wheat. So farmers can save their seed and plant it for the next year. More farmers do this with wheat than other crops like corn and soybeans, just because of the different hybrids and genetics and stuff like that. We save our wheat seed from this year to plant next year, and so that's what we're doing is we're augering it into this bin where we'll store it until the fall when we plant our next year's winter crop. And I'll walk you over here. This truck full of wheat we harvested last night, and we're gonna put that in the bin. Field with Laura. Laura's been running the baler. It's having some issues with the net wrap. But we're about ready to get back out there and finish the rest of our day. Got some cheesy corn casserole. Tied so. All right, everyone, so we just had a terrible storm blow through. We cut this wheat field over here a couple days ago and baled a few straw bales on it. As you can see, those straw bales from that field have blown across the road into this field over here. Wind blew them that far. Unbelievable. Alright, so we're out in the field. We're just finishing up one of our fields, and both of us are coming here to the end. This is the last trip. Dad's got a full bin. He's unloading. I've got a full bin as well. You can't really see it. But this is a huge field. This field was almost 200 acres. And we're done. Tom bringing some lunch. Snacks.
Farmer's Day begins. So much to do, so little time. The work just never ends. Growing all the corn and beans and grain, sorghum and wheat. Harvesting the grain that's needed for the world to eat. It's the life of a farmer. It's just the life of a farmer. Feeding cattle in the heat, the cold wind and the snow. Cleaning pens, scooping bunks, and attending the farm show. Building fence, loading bales, deciding what to pay. Working by your family's side each and every day. It's the life of a farmer. It's just the life of a farmer. Summer, winter, spring and fall, weekends and holidays. Farmers work through good and bad in many different ways. Farming is a way of life that not many can live. And every farmer needs a thank you only you can give for the life of a farmer. Yes, the life of a farmer. I love the life of a farmer. I love the rain life of a farmer. Getting closer to the end of another long day out in the field. Got a nice sunset behind me. I have not done very good at vlogging. I'm so tired. I haven't shaved for like 4 days. Wheat harvesting, it's tough. But the sunsets are nice. It's a little dirty on my face. Well, I hope you enjoy all the scenes of me filming stuff and not talking because I was too tired to talk. Farming is rewarding. It's also hard. And